Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of delicious Malai kofta. It has crispy paneer potato kofta balls served in creamy gravy. Without further delay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm chopping in 4 almonds and 4 cashew nuts. Chop it finely, and this is going to be the stuffing for the kofta balls. Transfer the nuts in a mixing bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of mawa or koya. Mix it nicely and the stuffing is ready. Here I have taken 200 grams of grated paneer and 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Add in little chopped coriander leaf. In goes 1 chopped green chilli. Add in salt as needed. Now add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. Make some medium sized balls like the way I am showing. With this measurement and size, we can make 8 balls. Now flatten the balls and stuff it with the filling. Cover it like this and make balls. The kofta balls are ready now and keep it aside. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the gravy before frying the kofta balls. Heat 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil in a kadai. Add in 2 cloves and 1 bay leaf. In goes 1 small piece of cinnamon and a black cardamom. You can also add green cardamom. Add in 1 teaspoon of jeera. Add in 2 diced onions. Saute it until it turns translucent. This is homemade frozen ginger garlic paste. I'll leave this recipe in the description below. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add in 2 diced tomatoes. Add a little salt and cook the tomato and the onion. In goes 5 almonds and 4 cashew nuts. Once the onion mix is cooked, add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. In goes half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add in quarter teaspoon of jeera powder. In goes half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Switch off the flame and cool it completely. Once it cools down, grind it into a smooth paste. To the same kadai, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. In goes the grinded onion and tomato paste. Give it a mix and add in enough water for the gravy. I have added nearly 1 cup of water. Add in salt as needed for the gravy. Give it a mix and cover with the lid and cook the gravy. You will see the gravy splattering, so cover with the lid while cooking. Add in quarter teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavor. In goes 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. The gravy has reduced well and it's almost ready now. Add in half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. In goes quarter cup of fresh cream. This gravy is so rich and delicious. This is base gravy used in many North Indian recipes. Switch off the flame and it's time to fry the kofta. The kofta balls are ready and it's time to fry it. I have used sunflower oil to fry the kofta balls. Here's a tip. If you find the kofta balls are separating while frying, means you can add 1 teaspoon of maida or corn flour to the kofta mix. The kofta balls are turned to golden brown color. You can have this kofta balls as a snack and serve it with coffee or tea. I have taken the malai gravy in a serving bowl. While serving the malai kofta, drop in the kofta balls into the gravy. Serve the malai kofta immediately when hot. So at the time of serving only, we have to drop the malai balls into the gravy. Garnish it with fresh cream to make it more beautiful. I served malai kofta with soft bread chapati. I'll share this recipe in my next video. Do try this delicious malai kofta and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.